We'll guide you through how to create a Google Drive folder. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into the Google account where you want to create the folder. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you'll see a button on the left side that says New, with a colorful plus sign next to it. Click on that button. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Folder. A small window will pop up asking you to name your new folder. Type in the desired name for your folder, and then click Create. Your new folder will now appear in your Google Drive, and you can start organizing your files by dragging and dropping them into this folder. If you need to share this folder with others, simply right-click on the folder and choose Share from the menu. Here, you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with, and choose their permission level, such as viewer or editor. Click Send, and they'll receive an invitation to access the folder. It's a great way to keep your digital life organized and collaborate with others. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.